G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, do you want cheap goggles? Yes. Do you want to win some free stuff? Yes, yes. More yes. What we're checking out, bit of a different video today. Over on Discord, I'm going to put a whole bunch of links down below. You need to check them out, but over on Discord, I got a bunch of PMs asking Stuart, I can see some cheap AOMWAY'S online, some V1Ss. These are these goggles here, and if you want to watch the full review, there's a video, that little card should pop up there. Thank you very much, YouTube. And essentially, these things are coming in stupid cheap at the moment. So Banggood is running like a ridiculous sale. I think they're like $235 or $239, and I kind of couldn't believe it. Normally they're like $300. Back in the day when I was reviewing AOMWAY'S, my first ones, they were like the original V1s, they were like $300. They're an awesome goggle at the time for the price. These ones, when I saw the $230 whatever price, I wrote them an email. I was like, is that actually true? Is that legit? Or is that a pricing error? And they said, yep, no, that's not an error. So that's how much the AOMWAY V1Ss are right now. Now I'm gonna put the link down below. And so if you wanna pick up a pair of goggles, these aren't my favorite. I actually do prefer the Sky Zone O2Cs and O2Xs. They're a little bit more pricey. I think they're on sale as well, so you can check them out. But this pair right now is ridiculously cheap. So if you wanna get into the hobby, you're absolutely skinting together, trying to get some money around the $200 mark for just a little bit more. You wanna get a good pair of goggles that's going to be reliable, it's going to last you the distance, and I use the AOMWAY original V1s for the longest time. This pair right here, super light, super comfortable on your face. So yeah, that's it. This is pretty much as cheap as you are ever going to see these sort of goggles anyway, with this kind of form factor and with this quality. So Banggood and AOMWAY, I'm kind of a bit shocked that we've got these cheap goggles out there. And as a bit of a bonus as well, we're about to go out to the field, have some fun with Wingman Jono, mucking around, all that sort of stuff, doing some ridiculous stuff with Tony, which is probably not the safest thing to do. But we also have one of these to give away. So I'm going to put the official rules and all that sort of stuff down below, because I was a bit sneaky with Banggood. I asked them the price and said, would it be possible to give you guys one of these away? So yep, they agreed to that. So shout out to Banggood for providing one of these for a giveaway. Read the official rules and comments, all that sort of stuff, but I think what you need to do is just check out their sale page and then leave a comment on my video. What do you like in the sale and how much is it? So that's all you need to do, and then you go into the draw to win a pair of these goggles. So I'll be drawing that very soon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related content. A bit of a different video today, not so much a review, but just letting you guys know, if you want to get into the hobby, you've been saving up for a long time, you want to upgrade to this sort of binocular dual diversity style of goggles, check these bad boys out, because yeah, they've never been at this price before, and I think a lot of people are going to fly around and have a great time with them. I do personally still prefer the Sky Zones, but honestly for this price, that's getting ridiculously cheap. It makes it much harder to buy a pair of HDOs or something when they're like $500, and these are getting stupid, just a bit more, over 200. But anyway, let's do it. Let's jump out of the field, have some fun, and you can see some more shenanigans with Long Range Tony, Wingman John. I want to say I didn't think this was a good idea what they're about to do. We'll roll that, and that's going to be the end of the video. So subscribe for more FPV related content. Drop your comments down below if you want to go in the entry to win a pair of goggles, because that feels really cool to give that out to somebody. So good luck there. Go check those goggles out if you want to get cheaply into FPV with a good pair of goggles. And as always, happy flying.
I reckon we're going to try a discus launch.
Do you want me to, like,
No, I want you to fucking throw it like,
I
want you to throw it like a frisbee, like spinning, you know? All right, and we're going to give it a go. I don't want to see.
Which way are you going? That way?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, go that way.
God, I just want to say, I think this is a stupid idea, and we're going to cut Jono's hand off and have to call it a day.
All right, you ready? No, I want you to throw it from the arm like with some
Throw it,
gusto.
hold the motors.
Yeah.
Hold the motors.
Yeah, yeah.
He's not going to arm it in your hand.
Arm it. That's it like that. You ready? Yeah. Hang on.
You can't arm till I say.
Say when, Jono.
No, I'll say, no, stop. I'll say when it's safe to arm. Arm. Hey!
So cool. Let's do it again. Do it again.
It's actually got a good toss on it. I like it.
Just wipe the lens for me again.
Yeah. I have to say, this Oblivion frame has got, like, you know, it's probably about an 8 out of 10 in tossability factor.
Okay, let's go. G'day, Stu. Okay, Tony wants a really hard one. We're going for the discus world champion throw.
All right. I gotta get a big discus wind up on this.
Ready? This is how Jono broke his back. You ready?
Yep.
All right.
Hold up.
Arm.
How's that?
Wow, world record.
That's so fun.
Yeah, but you're not holding the spinning blender in your fingers.
Yeah, I'm not going to arm it in his hand. That's silly.
All right, what we're going to do, we're going to see if we're going to make Tony crash here. So I'll help on the sticks. What trick are we going to do? Come on, do something special.
All right, let's do an inverted yaw.
Hang on. Let me get the DVR rolling of this.
All right, you ready?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
Ready?
All right. Yep.
Inverted yaw, spin up high.
Notice how he said up high because you're a big. Oh, that was the worst. What was that? That was a inverted jaw spin.
Jaw spin. Jaw spin.
Nah. All right. I want you to do the tightest power loop you can around that tree.
All right, here we go. Oh, that was pants. Oh, that was back into the tree.
Nah.
No.
Mate, you're getting worse.
Ah.
Oh look, now you're pretending like you meant to do that. Oh, okay, that was pretty cool. Okay. You've got to go through it and then power loop back.
The lavatory lost.
Oh, so much fun. Best quad ever.
There you go, TBS and Trappy. Tony, you absolutely love the Oblivion, don't you?
I love it. You hate it.
Oh, look, that's
No, you do.
I want to say it has grown on me after seeing you fly it. For a racer, when I first reviewed it, yeah, it didn't have the top up
It's not a racing. It's not a racing quad.
But the amount of abuse you've had for that, and it just keeps on going. It seems old reliable.
It's like everything else in my bag ends up with an issue. I pull out the Oblivion. It works every time.
All right, so
brilliant.
Trappy, I was wrong. The Oblivion's better than I first thought. So, all right. How is it?
Oh, it's in perfect shape.
It's broken. No, imagine that.
Hey, I'll give you a tip with the discus launch.
Okay.
Right? Don't have it in sort of like manual mode.
No, have it
just put it
self-level.
into self-level, and then as soon as you flick it, it's on and it stabilizes itself.
All right, I'll give you a tip.
Brilliant.
I'll give you a tip. Don't do it because it's stupid and you're going to cut yourself up.
That was brilliant. Thanks, mate. Thanks for the battery.